Okay. I did a thing here. That's not even a quarter of the mess. So this is the second time me trying to do this video because I noticed that my camera turned in the other direction. I don't know how long it's been like that. And this is the first time I've said anything out loud today, so my voice sounds kind of funny. Okay, let's get to it. So my mom sent me this Bible back in 2019. I think it's probably in a video, like a Bible unboxing video. And the lady at the thrift store actually gave it to her because it was completely fallen apart. There was no cover. The maps, the little pages of the maps in the back was separated. And I've literally had it for 4 years, and then for whatever reason, I don't know what happened today, I fixed it. No logical explanation as to why. All I know is that I just found myself doing it, and then now it's done, and I'm standing here sharing it with you guys because I wanted to share it with somebody, and all y'all are my somebodies. And I thank you for that, seriously. Okay, so here's what I did. Okay, so first of all, you gotta smell it. Can you smell it? Oh, it is pigskin suede. And this is the soft side. I glued the other side down. And then listen, I've never done this before. It's very amateur. I know that. I'm not, in denial about that. But the Bible is together. It's back together. And it can be used. And I'm super excited about that. So I had some cardstock, some brown cardstock that I put it together with. This is how it came to me with this page. No other. Look at that. To bandage my heart. It's so true. It's so true. Again, oh, my phone switched again to Oxford. And it's got, oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How did I not? Every time I open it, I find a new page to fix. And you see it opens, lays flat. Where am I? I need to work on that. Alright, so here we go. It opens. It lays flat. I put a ribbon on it. Put the ribbon down in there. Oh, and I actually glued it all together. Okay, that's okay. This is the first time I've opened it. Oh, it does lay flat. That's exciting. Let's go to... Now it's starting to fold up a little bit because it's stiff. So I have quite a few Oxfords that do not have pilcrows, which is interesting, right? So 2036 should be the last one. Oh, why does my phone keep doing that? Sorry y'all, I don't know how long it's been like that. And that's it. This here was, all these maps here, you can see this whole section was separated. But it is back together Is that glued? Oh, a little bit. There we go. Oh. Let me get my razor here. Hold on. Okay, just a little bit of glue. A little bit of glue there. That's not even what I wanted to show you. Well, just a little bit of glue there, and that's what stuck. I can't grab it through my phone. Is that just a little bit of glue? Here we go. Got it. So that's it. Put the ribbon in, put the cover on, the reinforcements on, did the red on the edges, and put this little Oxford Bible back together. Totally ready to go. And it smells amazing. And I made a mess, and I'm not going to clean it up because that's how I am. Alright, y'all. Hope you're having a beautiful and blessed day. All for His glory. Bye. Thank you for sharing this with me. Bye.